Strawberries are a very popular fruit consumed by individuals all around the world for decades. Today, strawberry tea is seeing tremendous growth in popularity among health-conscious individuals due to its pleasant taste, but also because of its amazing nutrient and antioxidant profile and health-promoting abilities. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of drinking strawberry tea. First, strawberry tea is loaded with many different vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, which makes it a great and easy way to add nutrition to your diet. Strawberry tea is very high in vitamin C and also provides good levels of manganese, folate, potassium, and phosphorus. Strawberry tea is also low in calories, is packed with antioxidants, and contains many different plant compounds. Similar to its great nutritional profile, strawberry tea is also high in unique plant compounds and antioxidants that can promote our health many ways, from boosting immunity to reducing the risk of chronic disease. Strawberry tea is also very high in powerful antioxidant compounds such as ellagic acid, procyanidins, and anthocyanins, which can also help to reduce free radicals and inflammation. Strawberry tea, when consumed regularly, can be very beneficial for our overall heart health due to the amazing compounds found in it, as studies have shown. These studies have shown that consuming strawberry tea can help to regulate and lower blood pressure, improve good HDL cholesterol, improve blood lipid levels, and reduce bad LDL cholesterol. Strawberry tea can also help to reduce inflammation that can lead to heart disease. Lastly, consuming strawberry tea can help to regulate blood sugar levels in the body while also improving digestion. This can provide benefits for those individuals with diabetes or those individuals at risk of developing diabetes. Strawberries and strawberry tea has been found to slow down glucose digestion, which can reduce spikes in insulin and glucose following meals. Strawberry tea can also help to prevent metabolic syndrome and improve nutrient uptake. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.